think of experimentation in science, what comes to mind? Maybe it's explosions. Maybe it's colorful chemicals circulating around and all sorts of funny glassware. Maybe it's chemicals bubbling in beakers. Whatever it may be, we need to be careful and check ourselves as to what experimentation actually is. You see, there's a difference between tests and experiments. You know, a lot of times in science class we'll do tests or demonstrations, and there's purpose behind them. Sometimes it's just fun, right? Sometimes there's something we can learn from doing a test because our teacher has information that they can connect to one of those demonstrations. But as we enter into chemistry, we want to know more about the process of experimentation and its purpose. Because experimentation involves the scientific method, and the scientific method has an ultimate purpose of gaining knowledge, something we didn't know before. And in order to learn something from an experiment, we have to have a proper design. We need to remember that an experiment is designed from a hypothesis, and that our hypothesis has some very important elements within it. The independent variable and the dependent variable, right? Something we change in our experiment and something that we measure as a result of that change. And therefore, we need to have trials, we need to have controls, we need to have constants, and then we need to have a table that we gather information in and a set procedure to make sure that we follow everything properly. You see, an experiment is much more than just a simple test. Because otherwise, while it might be cool, all we end up with is just a nasty mess.